baking the cake, you need a mold of capacity 1/2 kg. Add 2 cups of flour. Fill 1/4 of it with soft butter. Then add 4/10 kg of sugar, 1/3 tablespoon baking soda, 3/2 teaspoons of vanilla essence.
What happened? Why did you stop?
Hey, what are you guys up to?
It is Mom's birthday today.
So we are baking a cake for her.
Wow, sounds great.
Well, I'm trying to read this recipe and I don't understand some of it. Like here it says 1/2 kg mold, 1/4 soft butter, 4/10 kg of sugar. How much are these quantities exactly? What are these numbers, Dhruv?
These are fractions.
Fractions. What are those?
Fractions. 1/4 would mean 1 part of 4 equal parts. 3/6 would mean 3 equal parts of 6. And 8/16 would mean 8 of 16 equal parts. 1/4 can also be read as 1/4 or 1/4 or a quarter. Similarly, 3/6 can be read as 3/6 or 3/6 and 8/16 can be read as 8/16 or 8/16.
Okay, so you write it as 1/2, 1/4.
Yes, these are called fractions. A fraction consists of a numerator and a denominator. The denominator tells how many total parts of the whole has been divided into. The numerator tells how many of those parts are being represented by the fraction.
So Dhruv, here we have a ½ kg mold. Let's fill 1/4 of the mold with soft butter.
1/4 of the mold with butter.
3/2 teaspoons of vanilla essence.
3/2?
Upon 2? That is not correct. How can there be 3 equal parts out of 2 equal parts?
That is an example of an improper fraction. Actually, there are several types of fractions. Let me explain it to you. There are different types of fractions. Let us learn about these fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Examples: 1/4, 3/6, 4/7 are proper fractions. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator is called an improper fraction. Examples: 9/8, 25/6, 15/7 are improper fractions. A fraction which has a whole number together with a fraction is called a mixed fraction. Examples: 4 and 1/2, 9 and 3/5, 6 and 7/9. Fractions with the same denominators are called like fractions. Example: 3/8, 5/8, 9/8. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Example: 4/7, 5/9, 1/2. 3/2 spoons of vanilla essence would mean
You said it is an improper fraction as the numerator is bigger than the denominator.
correct. The teaspoon has to be divided into 2 equal parts as the denominator is 2. And 3 such parts would mean 1 teaspoon full and another half of the teaspoon to be used in the cake. This can be written as 1 and 1/2.
That is a mixed fraction.
Excellent, a mixed fraction. So we see we can write a mixed fraction as an improper fraction and similarly an improper fraction as a mixed fraction. Let me explain it to you. To convert a mixed fraction to an improper fraction, multiply the denominator by the whole number and add it to the numerator. The result is the numerator of the improper fraction while the denominator remains the same. For example, 6 and 2/5 equals 5 into 6 plus 2 equals 32. Thus, 6 and 2/5 equals 32 upon 5. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed fraction, divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient obtained is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed fraction and the denominator remains the same. Example, 32 upon 5 is an improper fraction. Divide 32 by 5. The quotient is 6 and remainder is 2. Hence, 32 upon 5 equals 6 and 2 upon 5.
So, 1 teaspoonful and another half a teaspoon of vanilla essence.
So what is next?
Well, 4 upon 10 kg of sugar. 4 upon 10. So we make 10 equal parts of 1 kg of sugar and we need to put 4 parts into the mold.
Correct, but we can simplify this fraction further. Here, I will show you how it is done. A fraction is said to be in its simplest form or lowest term if the numerator and denominator have no common factor other than 1. We can simplify any fraction into its simplest form by using any of the two methods. Method 1. Divide the numerator and the denominator by the common factors until they have only 1 as the common factor. Let us take the fraction 6 upon 12. The common factors of 6 and 12 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. First, let us divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3 and 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Hence, we get 3 upon 6. 3 upon 6 is an equivalent fraction of 6 upon 12. The common factors of 3 and 6 are 1 and 3. Again, divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by 3. We get 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is also an equivalent fraction of 6 upon 12. 1 and 2 do not have any common factor other than 1. Thus, the simplest form of the fraction 6 upon 12 is 1 upon 2. There is another method of simplifying fractions. Method 2. Find the HCF of the numerator and the denominator, and then divide both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by it. This is a faster way to find the simplest form of a fraction. Let us take the fraction 4 upon 12 as an example. Here, the HCF of 4 and 12 is 4. So, we divide the numerator and the denominator of the fraction by 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. And 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Hence, we get 1 upon 3. Thus, 1 upon 3 is the simplest form of 4 upon 12.
So, 4 upon 10 kg of sugar when simplified would mean 2 upon 5 kg of sugar. That is, 2 out of 5 equal parts of 1 kg sugar.
Let us hurry. Mom and Dad would be here any moment.
Correct. What is next, Kabir?
3 eggs, 3 upon 6 of a 250 grams chocolate bar.
Here it is.
Wait a minute, we have to put 3 upon 6 of this bar now and 2 upon 7 of this bar after the cake is baked for icing.
I don't get it.
Me neither. How can we get 6 parts of this chocolate bar and also 7 parts of it?
3 upon 6 and 2 upon 7 are unlike fractions. We first need to convert them into like fractions. 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 7 are unlike fractions as they have different denominators. Let us learn how to convert them into like fractions with the same denominator. Step 1. Find the LCM of the denominators. The LCM of 6 and 7 is 42. Step 2. Convert the given fractions to like fractions with the denominator equal to their LCM. For the fraction 3 upon 6, to get 42 in the denominator, we multiply it by 7. So, multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 3 upon 6 by 7. We get 3 into 7 upon 6 into 7 equals 21 upon 42. So, 21 upon 42 is an equivalent fraction of 3 upon 6. Similarly, for the fraction 2 upon 7, To get 42 in the denominator, we multiply it by 6. So, we multiply both the numerator and the denominator of the fraction 2 upon 7 by 6. We get 2 into 6 upon 7 into 6 equals 12 upon 42. So, 12 upon 42 is an equivalent fraction of 2 upon 7. Hence, we get 3 upon 6 and 2 upon 7 in the form of like fractions. That is 21 upon 42 and 12 upon 42 respectively. So basically we would need to divide this chocolate bar into 42 equal pieces and then take out 21 now for the cake and use 12 pieces later for the icing respectively. We now need to wait for 20 minutes. Once this is baked, we just need to put chocolate icing on it.
2 upon 7 of the chocolate bar.
Yes, 3/6 we have put in the dough. By the way, which is more, 3 upon 6 or 2 upon 7 of the chocolate bar?
Obviously, it's 3 upon 6, Dhruv. When we simplified them, 3 upon 6 is 21 equal pieces of 42 chocolate pieces and 2 upon 7 is only 12 equal pieces of the 250-gram chocolate bar.
3 upon 6 or 2 upon 7 were unlike fractions which were converted to like fractions. And now, since the denominators are equal, we compare the numerators. 21 is greater than 12. So, 3 upon 6 is greater than 2 upon 7.
Our chocolate vanilla cake is ready.
Yay, it is, except for the icing.
Quick! They are here.
Oh, there's still some bit left.
Where are the kids?